Hi, my name is Yelena, and in this video I will show you how to use Loom to help us locate a problem you're experiencing with your WordPress website. In your browser, search for Loom. Click on the first link. Then click here on Get Loom for free. You have options to sign up with Google, Slack, Apple, or just with your email if you want. Once you sign up, you are redirected to your personal library. When you click on Record Now, you will get two options: to download a desktop app or to install a Chrome extension. Choose whatever you want here. Now you can either click on New Video or click on the Loom icon in the Chrome extensions. From here, I have an option to record my screen and myself, or record just my screen, or record just myself. We will most likely just need your screen. You can also choose if you want to record your full desktop or just the tab you're currently using. Don't forget to pick the microphone you're using. Or if you do not want to use a microphone, then click here to mute it. Once we have all of these parameters set, we can start recording. Click on Start Recording. You can choose how you want to share your screen here. When you're recording, a floating menu will appear on the bottom left side. There, you can find the option to cancel the recording, pause it, or finish the recording. Once you're done recording, click on Finish Recording and you will be redirected to a page for editing and sharing your video. When you're happy with the video you made, you can copy the link and send it to us. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any more questions by sending me an email at support@FixRunner.com.